Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook air fryer frozen jalapeno poppers. Before we dive into this recipe, please note that we've got 1200 plus more kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many others. So these are the TGI Fridays jalapeno poppers, or as they call them, jalapeno cheese bites that we picked up from Iceland. Unfortunately, which I'm very upset about, it's only a very small bag of them. They could be bigger, couldn't they? And then get out your air fry basket and add them in. I've had these already and they're absolutely delicious and they're absolute favourite of mine. And they don't take long to cook in the air fryer either. It's just a quick dump them in kind of recipe. And what you can do is you can start the temperature higher if you want more of a crisp on them, or you can go a little bit lower if you just want them not like normal breaded food. And then I recommend a spray with extra virgin olive oil because this can really help with the crisp. And then place them in. Turn your air fryer on. It's automatically set to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then you want to be setting the time to 7 minutes. And then press start. And we've beeped. And there you have it, jalapeno poppers. Of course, some of the cheese does come out, but some of it doesn't look too bad. If you don't want the cheese coming out, I recommend that you drop the time by about a minute, and this will sort out this problem. But it depends on the brand that you're using as well. Let's face it, who doesn't love cheese? But when I've done them for less, the cheese isn't as melty as what it is when you put them on for longer. So it's personal choice for how long you cook them for. They will of course be done on 6 minutes if you would rather cook them and not have any cheese coming out at all. And these are some of the jalapeno poppers. I'm very lucky, I'm the only one in the family that actually likes them. Everybody else complains that jalapenos are too spicy for them and they won't eat them. They're amazing. On my eating out bucket list is a trip to TGI Fridays to try them for real. But in the meantime, I've got Iceland and I can't believe how good they are, and it's so nice to be able to quickly air fry them. They only take a few minutes. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.